Worried about hackers draining your crypto? One of the best protections is using multi-sig wallets. Here's how to set it up. Start by choosing a wallet that supports multi-sig, like Gnosis Safe or Electrum. Start by launching your wallet, and here, decide how many people or devices must approve transactions. For example, 2 out of 3 signers. Now, create the wallet. Open the app, select multi-sig setup, and add the public keys of all participants who will sign. Send your crypto to the new multi-sig address. Now no single person can move funds alone. Make a small transfer and confirm the multiple approvals are required before it goes through. And that's it. You've now secured your crypto wallet with multi-sig, making it nearly impossible for one hacked device to drain your funds. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.